Welcome to an overview demonstration of the Android mobile applications from DELMIAworks. The DELMIAworks mobile applications are designed to solve the challenges that keep manufacturers tied to their desks. These tools enable users to perform daily tasks and handle responsibilities regarding customers and vendors, as well as increase overall shop floor control from anywhere. Today, we will look at why users might use mobile applications, what platforms mobile apps will run on, and what data they will have access to. We will also go through some commonly used mobile apps. Mobile applications allow users to access all their business information in real time from anywhere in the world. They also allow users to improve workflow and overall approval processes, as well as increasing user responsiveness with customers and vendors, as well as shop floor personnel. Lastly, DELMIAworks mobile apps are extremely user-friendly. Mobile apps can be run in a variety of different platforms, including DELMIAworks RT stations and mobile devices that utilize the Android operating system. Users have access to a variety of different areas through mobile applications, including customer service apps, shop floor apps, and warehouse management apps. The customer service mobile applications that are available include customer relationship management for both customers and suppliers, Customer Central, Sales Quotes, Opportunity Central, and pending approvals. Shop floor applications include Container Builder, Documents, Downtime, Printing Labels, Floor Disposition, and Scanned Inventory. Users also have access to 3 different areas regarding DELMIAworks real-time monitoring: real-time production monitoring, real-time process monitoring, and real-time work center. For those requiring assembly apps, users have access to final assembly and line clearance. Maintenance, repair, and overhaul is also an area users will have access to from the mobile applications, as well as rejects, scan ID, serial number tracking, and time and attendance. Lastly, users have access to SPC Quick Inspection. Mobile applications provide users access to warehouse management, including inline vehicle sequencing, inventory transactions and locations, warehouse management system, work order materials and components, as well as signature capture. Let's take a look at the 4 most commonly used apps, beginning with the Real-Time Work Center screen. Real-Time Work Center will be used on the shop floor to monitor how a given work order is running at that particular work center. Users will notice general job information at the top of the screen, as well as production summary information on how the current job is running. Users will also see a listing of what the next work order is to be run, as well as OEE factors. The right-hand side provides an opportunity to change the details that are showing at the bottom of the screen. Users also have the ability to update the priority notes on the given work order. Features available in the screen under the Actions options include change or finish the lot number, actual cavitation, start next setup, rejects, print work order, IQ log, downtime, which allows users to assign downtime codes, maintenance, repair, and overhaul, submitted announcements, and lastly, user-defined forms. Next, let's take a look at the Documents application. Users have access to both internal and external documents through the document control library that are linked in the following areas: Runs the Best, BOM, Customer, Inventory, Work Center, and Preventative Maintenance. Having the documents linked in these areas truly allows for a paperless shop floor operation. As you can see here, there are 2 documents, one internal and one external. Documents can be viewed, shared, and printed, functioning the same as throughout the rest of the system. Next, let's take a look at the various Labels apps. There are 3 options for printing labels: Print Inventory Labels, Print Sales Order Labels, and Print Real-Time Labels. These apps allow users to print labels as needed on the shop floor for relabeling inventory, for preparing shipments, and also for use on the shop floor. Lastly, let's take a look at the Customer Service app, Customer Central. Customer Central gives users access to what is happening now and has occurred in the past with regard to current customers. Users have a 360-degree look at customer details, such as meetings, calls, tasks, opportunities, contacts, and much more. This allows users to be fully engaged with what is going on with customers while traveling or during any situation where access to a computer is unavailable. Users have the ability to view any customer activities, update them, and also post new items. They also have access to any sales opportunities that have been tied to a customer, as well as any user fields that have been added or updated within the system. Lastly, users have access to documents tied to customers, as well as any emails that were included under the Email Correspondence tab. Thank you for taking the time to watch our demonstration of the DELMIAworks set of Android mobile applications. DELMIAworks provides a complete set of apps to allow users to manage their business while on the road, as well as providing an easy-to-use shop floor experience. If you would like more information on the products and services from DELMIAworks, please visit 3ds.com/DELMIAworks.